If done, you can return to your seat now. You can return to your seat. Today, math, and our material talk about fraction. Now, please open your book, page 87. Right? Before we going to make 87, I want to invite you to review again our lesson last week. Ricardo, please help me. Please clean up our whiteboard. Talk about fraction. What is fraction? What is fraction? Good. Now, in fraction, there are some many fraction you find like one half, ya. Atau in bahasa 1/2. Alright, like this. Nah, this one we can read one whole. Yeah. Nah, this one we call numerator, yeah, numerator, and this one we call denominator, yeah. One we call numerator and two we call denominator. Or in bahasa satunya ini kita sebut dengan pembilang. Dan yang di bawah we call atau kita sebut dengan penyebut. Good job. Nah, like example. Page 81. One half of a whole, ya. One half of a whole. Nah, so like this one we call one whole. One whole, ya. In bahasa it means that ini masih utuh. Excel, ya. In bahasa ini masih utuh, ya. And we call one whole. Say together, one whole. Say together, one whole. Repeat two part. Kita bagi ke dalam dua bagian, ya. Like this. Nah, one whole we divide into two part. Kita bagi ke dalam dua bagian, and this one we call one half. Yeah, one half, and we can give shade. You know shade it? Diarsir. Yeah, this one shade it. Shade it. Artinya diarsir. And this one we call unshaded. Atau tidak diarsir. Do you understand? Do you understand the word? Okay, now any question? No. Now we going to 1/3. Yeah, say it together. 1/3. 1/3. Anton, please. 1/3. Louder. 1/3. 1/3. Not 1/10. Cannot laugh, yeah. 1/3. It means that in bahasa yes, good. 1/3. It means that one whole we divide into 3 parts. Yeah, 1/3. It means that one whole we can divide into 3 parts. Kita bagi satu untuk yang seperti ini. Kita bagi ke dalam 3 bagian. I know in MTK we already learned about that, right? Right? Yes. Nah, alright. Nah, I'm so sorry. Forgot to tell you about the object learning. Yeah. Nah, our learning object today talk about compare equal part of a whole. Yeah, compare equal part of a whole. Membandingkan. Compare. Artinya it means that in bahasa membandingkan. The second one is understand fraction like 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4. Yeah. Understand fraction like 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4. Ya, mengerti, memahami apa itu 1/2, 1/3, and then 1/4. Okay, that is our objective learning in this morning. Okay. Now we continue. We back our topic today. Now we going to 1/3. Yeah, 1/3. 1/3. Now, before we going to 1/3, I want to ask you about this. This one we call numerator. Yes, good. And this one? Yes, good job. Okay, we can continue. Alright. Now, it means that one whole. We can divide into three parts. Ya, kita bagi ke dalam 3 bagian. You can see example page 82. Ya, like this. Like this. Yeah, this one we call 1/3. Do you understand? And we can shade third. Do you understand? Do you understand? Alright, now let's see our book. I want ask you one by one. Page 83. 83. You get it? You get it? You get it? Okay. Now let's see page 83. Exercise 6A. Now, take the shapes that are divided into two equal parts. Yeah. Once again, I read for you. Take the shapes that are divided into two equal parts. Centanglah bentuk di bawah ini yang dibagi ke dalam
Dua bagian.
iya, dua bagian. You can choose the correct picture. Ya, now let's see answer A. Now let's see answer A. Kita lihat bagian A. Ya, bagian A. That is correct or no? That is correct or no?
Correct.
Correct or no?
Correct.
Yes, correct. Why? Why you say that that is correct? Because one whole divide into two part equal, ya. Divide into two part equal. Dibagi ke dalam dua bagian yang sama, like this. Ya. Ya. Both of them must balance. Harus seimbang. And like this. We cannot divide like this into like this. This one we cannot call one half. Ya, ini tidak bisa kita sebut sebagai 1/2. Why? Kenapa? Because one whole is not divided into
Equal parts.
equal parts, ya. Nah, tidak dibagi ke dalam dua bagian yang sama, ya. It's not balanced, ya, tidak seimbang. Nah, now let's see A. So answer A is correct. Benar. Do you agree to me? Do you agree to me? Okay, now let's see answer B. Yeah, let's see answer B. Nah, who can answer B? That is correct or no? Correct or no? Correct or no? Yes, correct. Now the others you can continue, ya. Yeah, you can do like that. Yeah, please do carefully. Now let's see page 84. 84, yeah. Number 2. Jeremy, please read for your friends. Number 2.
2. Take the shapes that are divided into three equal parts.
Louder and slowly.
2. Take the shapes that are divided into three equal parts.
Yes, good. Take the shapes that are divided into three equal parts. In bahasa, ya, centanglah bentuk
yang
dibagi,
menjadi
iya, menjadi 3 bagian yang sama. Oke, nah, from enter A to H, ya, from enter A to H, where shape is true, where shape is correct, mana gambar atau bentuk yang benar. From enter A to H, dari yang A sampai yang H. H yang benar. Oke, now let's see A. The first picture. That is correct or no? Correct or no?
Correct.
Yes. How about B? How about B?
Correct.
Correct or no?
Correct.
Nah, the others? C?
No.
Why? Why you call answer C it's not correct? Because who can answer? Who can answer what the reason why you call answer C it's not correct? Huh? Why, Jeremy? Because the picture is not balance, ya, karena gambarnya tidak seimbang, ya kan? Nah, they divide the picture, it's not balance. Okay, nice. Nah, how about D? That is correct or no?
Correct.
Yes. Correct? No. Correct or no?
No.
Who say correct? Raise your hand. Who say not correct? Yes, the answer is not correct. How about E?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, that is called correct. F?
Yes.
Yes. G?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. How about the last?
No.
Not correct because it's not balanced. Okay, good. Now let's see number three. Now I want one person read for us. Who can read number 3? Raise your hand. Yeah, come on. Who can read number 3? Ready? The others. Benjamin, please.
Take the set that are divided into 4 equal parts.
Once again.
Take the sets that are divided into 4 equal parts.
Yes, good. Take the set that are divided into 4 equal parts. Nah, number 3 same like number 1 and 2. Ya, sama, pengerjaannya sama. Ada bedanya. In number 3, the shape into 4 equal parts, dibagi dalam 4 bagian. It means that 1 4, ya, 1 per 4. Ya, you can do after this, ya. Now let's see number 4. Number 4, who can answer? Putra? Who can read? Putra, ya? Putra, please read.
Color 1/2 of
1/2.
1/2 of each shape.
Repeat after me, ya. Color
Color
1/2
1/2
of each shape.
of each shape.
Nah, it means that in bahasa, you can explain in bahasa. Yes. Ya. Iya, warnailah 1/2 dari masing-masing bentuk, ya. And then number 3, Farel. Number 3, page 85. Sorry. Oh my God. Sorry, ya. Number 5.
Color 1/3 of each shape.
Once again.
Color 1/3 of each shape.
Color 1/3 of each shade. Good. Ya. It means that warnailah 1/3 dari masing-masing bentuk. Oke. Nah, now let's see number
7.
7. Excel. Louder, your friend cannot hear. Right? Right? Not right. Not around, yeah? Right. 1/2. 1/2. 1/3. Or 1/4 for the shared part of the shapes. Yeah. Write 1/2, 1/3, or 1/4 for the shaded part of the shapes. It means that artinya tulislah, ya kan? Tulislah, ya, tulislah,
1/2.
ya.
1/3 atau 1/4 untuk semua hasil
Dari bagian yang diarsir,
yang bagian hasil of the shapes.
iya, dari bentuk-bentuknya. You can see number 7, ya. Alright, do you understand? Nah, same like number 8, number 9 until number 4, number 10. Yes, good. Now we going to page 87. 87, part of a group. Parts of a group. Ya, bagian-bagian dari sebuah grup ataupun kelompok. Nah, the rectangles. Nah, like this example, you can see. Let's see page. Yes, please. Let's see page 87. The rectangles. Yeah, now we draw 10 balls. Alright, now we count together. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Enough? Enough. The round. 10 balls. Ya, ada 10 bola. Nah, this ball we divide it into two equal parts. Kita bagi ke dalam dua bagian. How to divide this? Like this. Dikali. Yes. We can make line in the middle. Ah. 5 and 5. We must divide it into two equal parts. Kita harus bagi ke dalam dua bagian yang sama. It means that jumlahnya must same, harus sama, ya. This one 5 and 5. Okay. Nah, they are divided into equal parts, ya. Now let's see. Same like the third picture, yeah. There are 6 stars. What is stars? What is star Excel? Star. What is star? Bintang. Stars. Kalau stars, What is star? one ya. Lebih dari satu. Stars artinya banyak bintangnya. Do you understand? Nah, the star we can divide it into 3 equal parts. Let's see page 87. There are 6 stars ya. Ada 6 bintang. Nah, we must divide that into 3 equal parts. Kita bagi ke dalam 3 bagian yang sama. Jadi, if 6 star
Menjadi 2 bagian.
now let us divide it into 3 equal parts. Kita bagi ke dalam 3 bagian yang sama. Nah, 1 and then 2 and 3. Jadi ada 3 bagian.
Dan dua-dua.
Same like the others pictures ya, sama dengan gambar yang di bawahnya itu ya, the other pictures. Okay, now let's see 1/2 of a group ya, 1/2 ya. Nah, like this. Ya, like this. There are 10 balls. Ya kan? This one we already divided into 2 equal parts. Kita sudah bagi tadi ke dalam 2 bagian. Nah, ini bisa kita sebut, we can call 1 sorry. No, sorry ya. Now we create new example. Nah, you can see there are apples ya, apples. Not lope ya, but love. Nah, there are how many apples? 8 apples. Ya, ada 8 apel. Nah, now these apples we must divide it into 1/2. Kita bagi menjadi 1/2. Ya. So, how to divide it? Bagaimana cara membaginya? Nah, let's see your book, page 87. Ya. These apples we divided into 2 parts. Good. Ya. 1/2 of 8 is 4 ya. Nah, this one we call 1/2 8 yang 8 ini ya, except it's if we divided this apple into 2 equal parts, the result is berapa? Berapa jumlahnya? Kalau ini yang 8 ini kita bagi ke dalam 2 bagian. Berapa jumlahnya?
4.
Excel, not you. Yeah. Once again, if I ask one person, you cannot answer. Yeah. Okay?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Understand.
Oke. Nah, ini kan kita bagi Excel. Ini kan ada 8. There are 8 apple. Ada 8 apel. Nah, jadi 8 apel ini we divide it into 2 equal parts. Kita bagi ke dalam 2 bagian ya sama. Ya. Jadi 8 dibagi 2 hasilnya the result is 4 ya, 4. Nah, jadi ini disebut dengan equal 1/2 ya. 1/2 and 1/2. Nah, setengah ya. 1/2. Yes, 1/2. Ya, ini setengah, ya kan? Do you understand? Do you understand? Nah, let's see. Any question? Any question before we continue to the next page? No. Alright, now let's see 88. 88, 1/3 of a group. Now you're going to 1/3. What is 1/3 Excel? 1/3. Satu per tiga. 1/3. Remember ya, you must save in your brain. 1/3 is mean that 1/3. 1/2 it means that 1/2. 1/4 it means that 1/4. Ya, you must save in your brain. Ya, kamu harus simpan. You must remember. Kamu harus ingat. Oke? Right. Nah, let's see page 88. 1/3 of a group. Nah, so if this picture we divide into 2 equal parts. Now, let's see page 88. Nah, the picture dibagi menjadi ke dalam 3 bagian. Ya, if 1/4, it means that the picture we divide it into 4 equal part. Nah, kalau jika 1/4 of a group, artinya satu grup itu atau satu kelompok itu kita bagi ke dalam 4 bagian. Do you understand?
Understand.
Yes. Nah, now we going to 85, exercise 6B. Exercise 6B. Nah, number 1. Now let us read together ya. Read together. 1, 2, 3, go. Exercise 6B. 1, 2, 3, go.
Exercise 6B.
Read together. Draw. It's not read together. Kalau read together berarti sama-sama. You and me. Ya. But if I say read after me or repeat after me, kalau Miss bilang repeat after me, berarti kamu ulangi setelah me. If I say together, what is together di bahasa? Sama-sama. Kita sama-sama baca. I will you read number 1. Ya, yuk. Together ya. 1, 2, 3, go.
Draw
Draw
the line to
divide
into equal parts and fill in the blanks.
Wait, ya. Now repeat after me ya. Wait, ya. Wait a few minutes ya. Read after me. Nah, if I say after me or repeat after me, kamu ulangi setelah me. Ya. Exercise 6B.
Exercise 6B.
Number 1.
Draw a dotted line.
Number 1.
Draw a dotted line to
After me, repeat after me. Oh, ya. Draw a dot line to divide each group
divide each group
into 2 equal parts.
into 2 equal parts.
Then fill in the blanks.
Then fill in the blanks.
Nah, what's the meaning of number 1? Draw. What is draw? Gambar. Dot line. Dot line. Dot line like this. Guys, putus like this. Same like the first picture. Ya, sama dengan gambar yang pertama. Nah, gambarlah garis putus-putus ya, like sample untuk setiap kelompok yang dibagi ke dalam 2 bagian yang sama. Then fill in the blanks. Nah, then fill in the blanks. Dan isilah in the blanks. Blanks itu artinya garis ini. Nah, ini. Is. Semua. Kamu isi di sininya. Fill itu kan mengisi kan? Nah, you often say, Miss, I want to refill my bottle. Saya mau mengisi ulang botol saya. Kamu harus bilang fill itu mengisi. Do you understand? Can you Alright, now I want you do page 89, number 1. Number 1, enter A until enter R. Nomor 1, bagian A, number A. Finish ya, udah siap ya. Yang enter A kan, bagian A sudah selesai. Now you can continue to enter B to A. Ya, kamu lanjutkan yang B sampai F. Come on, I give you maybe enough 3 minutes to do that. Ya, 3 menit untuk mengerjakannya. Ayo, come on. Yes. Wait, instruction from me. How about you, Anton?
Dan Miss.
Nah.
PS ada kan Miss?
Yes, wait ya, wait. This one, you divide into 2 equal parts. Nah, ini. Make dot lines. Garis putus like this.
Nanti kita
Bagi ke dalam 2 bagian yang sama. Ya?
Kami bilang ganti lagi deh.
How many? You can count now. Hitung. 1, go there. 1. Wait ya. Stay on your seat.
1, 2, 3,
jumlahnya harus sama. Look at me. Ya, jumlahnya harus sama. Ya kan? Nah, gimana caranya? Kalau ada dua, iya, jeruk, orange. Ya, nah, you have two orange, ya. Kamu memiliki dua jeruk. Bagi dua ini. Nah, sama siapa? Sama Miss, sama Miss. Bagi dua ini. Ada Miss one. Ayo, come on, take it. Nah, bagi dua yuk.
This is orange. You have two. You said this one.
Ya.
One, two.
Yes. How many jeruk though? Berapa hasilnya? Kalau dua dibagi dua berapa? Dua dibagi dua berapa? Nah, sama Musa satu. Habis enggak? Habis. Enggak habis. Habis atau tidak? Hah? Habis kan? Nah, habis because you already give to Miss Lilian one. Okay? One. Itu jadi habis. Jadi hasilnya satu. Nah, kalau delapan, ya, kalau delapan jadi dua orang sama. May I borrow yours? May I borrow yours? Wait ya, wait ya. Oke. Keep silent. Do your task. Kerjakan tugasmu. Ya, do your task please. Can you sit nicely? like this.
Pokoknya kalian bagi dua.
Minus divide into equal pasal sama jumlahnya. Come on.
Berapa? Dua.
How many all of them? How many all of them? Berapa semua? How many all of them? Berapa ini semua? Nah, now divide into equal parts. Bagi dua. Can I check? How many one part? How many? How many? Now fill. Do you understand? Wait. Okay, you can continue to enter A and F. Now let's see number 2. Now let us read together number 2. Come on. Okay, now I invite one person to read ya, satu orang untuk membaca ya, because I cannot to hear clearly, tidak jelas ya. Now one person please read. Yes. Wait your turn, okay? Come on. Lodel. Divide each group Nah, number 2 same like number 1. Ya, number 2 same like number 1, sama ya. Draw dot line, gambarlah garis atau titik-titik ya. Nah, garis putus-putus ya, like sampel ya. Nah, untuk membagi ke dalam 3 bagian yang sama. Nah, tadi ke dalam 2 equal parts, ke dalam 2 bagian yang sama. Sekarang 3 equal parts, berarti dibagi 3. Do you understand? Do you understand? Nah, that is same like number 1, sama seperti nomor 1.
Tapi bisa nomor B?
Ya. Enter B. 1/3 of 9. Nah, 1/3 of 9 9 dibagi 3. Look here. Ayo, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ya kan? Sorry ya. Sorry.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nah, how many of them? How many of them? Berapa? How many all together? All together. All together artinya semua. Together artinya it's mean that bersama-sama. All together artinya semua. Nah, look here Aulia. Ya. Nah, ini this picture we divide into 3 part. Kita bagi ke dalam 3 bagian. Sudah? Do you understand? Do you understand? Nah, if you know 3 times 3, how many? 3 dikali 3 berapa? Nah, so 9 divided 3. Jadi kalau 9 dibagi 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. Ya kan? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Balance gak? Balance gak? Nah, so one half from 9 is 3. Do you understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. Same nggak? Nah, do you understand? Now you can do enter A to C. Kerjakan yang A sampai C. Number 2, come on. Sorry. Enter A to F. This one, ready? Wait ya, I told you one by one. Wait. You already? Already means make a line like this. Not line, but don't line like this. Like this, like this. Like this. Oh sorry, this one not one half ya, but one third. Sorry ya, 1/3. 1/3 ya. One third artinya 1/3. Ready? Wait.
Dibagi 3 dia.
Finish? One third. Nah, ini dibagi 3. Ya. Ini dibagi 3. Oh.
3 kali 3 dia. Dibagi 3 kali. Dibagi 3 kali. Dengan
Sudah, Miss. Yang ini sudah disuruh. Iya, disuruh.
Ready?
Sudah, Miss.
One third, 3 dari 9. Berapa dari 9? Berapa kali 3 bagi 3? 3.
Dan, Miss.
Dan oke, wait ya, wait. Sit down.
Berapa semuanya?
Ada kita mau pakai.
Jadi berapa setelah sampai 3 kali dia. No, dibagi 3 kali. Pokoknya dibagi 1. Ya, berapa semuanya jadinya? Jadi berapa lah setelah dibagi? Ya. Lagi? Sama nggak dibagi? 1,5. Oke, yang di atas dan di bawah sama kan? Lagi bagi 3. Lagi dibagi 3 kali. Seperti itu dibagi berapa ini?
Now let's see number 4. Come on, read together. 1, 2, 3, go. Once again. Warnailah ya 1/2 untuk menunjukkan 1/2 ya.
Berapa juga?
Come on.
Setelah dibagi berapa?
Satu yang bisa warnai.
Berapa? Jadi
Yes, 1/2 in bahasa class at home. Number 4 until number 60 days. Okay, you can close your math book.